¿Qué? Ve por la paellera. Venga, que las 2 de la tarde ya están aquí. Miren, bañador. En las chanclas. Todo despeinado porque no me dio tiempo nada ponerme las chanclas y el bañador. Voy a la playa, había subido la marea. Eso. Tú. Había subido la marea y encontré una paella. Y la encontré porque estaba la paellera agarrada metida entre las piedras de Chipiona del faro.
Dear graduates, I congratulate you and wish you well in your OD career. From the beginning, with my process consultation from 1969, I've emphasised how important it is to build relationships with your clients, to treat them as total human beings, and to make every conversation be guided by the motive to be helpful. In our most recent book called Humble Leadership, my son Peter and I now expand this concept to be fundamental to all relationships in organisations, whether it's boss and direct reports, or team member to team member. Strive to build a personal, trusting and open relationship, because that's the only way you'll make them feel psychologically safe to speak up, to tell you the truth, to take your questions seriously, and to listen to you when you speak. Your work starts immediately in every conversation because, as one of my CEO clients pointed out, everything happens through conversation. I wish you well in your lives. Ed Schein.